How do you see it? So nice. Take a look at our necktie. So beautiful. Yes, so simple and fast. Alright, you are welcome to my channel. Do you always find it very difficult to put on your necktie? Worry no more, because today I'm going to show you the most easiest and fastest way that you can use to put on your necktie. Now, real quick, let's get into the action. Now first of all, you get your necktie. So beautiful. As you can see, I have my beautiful necktie here. So nice. So first of all, you raise your collar. Make sure you raise your collar first. Make sure you raise the collar first, then you arrange your shirt. Then you place the necktie on your neck. So you place the necktie on your neck. So this is it. Make sure here is shorter than this side. As you can see, the bigger side is always the longer side as you place it on your neck. So that's it. So here it's very short, depending on how you want it, whether you want the necktie to be longer or shorter, but I prefer the shorter side to be at your stomach level. So this side is very short. As you can see, this side is very short. The most easiest and the fastest way. This is very easy, guys. Let's do this. So let's get into the action. So the first procedure that you have to do is make sure you place this one first, like this. So this is the first procedure. Yes, so this is it. The first procedure, make sure you cross this one like this. So the bigger one on the smaller parts. So as you can see, that's it. Yes, this way, then you do this way. Yes, so that's it. You cross the bigger one on the smaller parts. Wow, guys, let's do this. So the second procedure to go is the bigger one. So to place it at the bottom, to come this way. Yes, so as you cross it this way, then that is it. Then you place it at the bottom. So this way. Yes, so we are doing it. So that is the next procedure, as you can see. So then we are still on the bigger part of the necktie. Very simple. So we are still on the bigger part of the necktie, as you can see. So the next procedure is to place it inside. So here, so place it here. So we are still on the bigger part of the necktie. So that's it. You place it inside. So that is it. That's it. So here, you need to place it inside. So let it go inside. Very simple. Very simple. This is how it is. Very simple. Very simple. So simple. As you can see, that is it. Very simple. That is it. This is how you place it. So simple and fast. Now, the next procedure to follow is we are still working on the bigger part of the necktie. Always is on the bigger part of the necktie. So the next thing to do is to cross it this way. This way. That's the next procedure. Very simple. So that is it. We take it again. The bigger part of the necktie. Then you cross it this way. Yes, so that is it. The bigger part of the necktie. Then you cross it this way. Cross it this way. So now you see how it is. Small. We are going to do it so quick. Very quick and easy. So we are still on the bigger part of the necktie. Yes, still on the bigger part of the necktie. So with this, you make sure the next procedure is to place it at the bottom. Place the bigger one at the bottom here. So let it come this side. So the bigger one, you place it at the bottom. Now let's do this. So this is the bigger part. You place it at the bottom and pull it from the top. That is it. Yes, as you can see, from the bottom, then top. from the bottom, then we pull it to the top. Wow, guys, we are almost done. So this is it, so simple, very simple and fast. As you can see, this is how it is. So now our next procedure is to look at, you see here there's from, so there is a space here, so this side, this space, yes, so there is a space here. This is, we are getting to the final part of it, so there is a space here. So with this space, this one, we are still working on the bigger part of the necktie. So you make sure the space here, you insert it inside and pull it from the tip. So we are still working on the bigger part of the necktie. As you can see, we are still on the bigger part of the necktie. The space here, yes, so now let's do this. Let's insert it in between. You see, we have inserted it. That is it. Yes. So now, you hold the smaller part of the necktie. Now here is the bigger part. Then you come closer. Keep on pulling. Yes. So here is it. This is how it goes. So after this, we are getting to the final stage of our necktie. So simple. Then you can come. Then your left hand, then you hold the smaller part of the necktie. Then with your right hand, you hold the neck. Yes, so you make sure you size it according to your neck or how you want it. Do you want it to be tight or do you want to make it loose for free movement? Yes, you know. So this is how you do it. So here, you'll be pulling the small one down whilst moving the edge at the top. So to size your neck very well. Yes, so this is how it goes, as you can see. So depending on how you want it, do you want it to be tighter, to be much tighter, or to be too loose? Yes, do you want to be loose or tight? Then you make sure you arrange it at your neck very well. So simple and very fast. Now let's get back. Let me arrange my collar very well. Yes, let me arrange the collar very well so that we see how it goes. Let's arrange our collar very well. Wow. Now the collar has been arranged. So this is how our necktie goes. Then you arrange it very well. Make sure it is, okay. Yes. So that is it. Wow. Guys, we are finally there. You see how it is? Very simple and so fast. Yes, make sure you size it very well. Very simple and so fast. So now, at the back of the necktie, you always see this thing. If you don't know, this is how it is. Yes, this one. So the smaller part of the necktie, you insert it. So to make it straight. Now, this is how it is. Yes, at the back of the bigger part of the necktie, you make sure you insert the smaller one. Let's insert it to see how it will go. Let's insert it. Whoa! Very simple and so nice. This is how it is. Look at how it is. You insert it. Yeah, this is how it is. Very simple and so nice. Wow! Guys, this is how our necktie is. Very simple and so fast, as you can see. Yes, whether you are going to a meeting, you want to do presentation, this is the fastest way that you can use to put on your necktie without any disturbance. Yes, so nice. Sometimes when you are having your clipper, you have this. The one that we use to clip the necktie. So here is it. So you can use it to clip it. Yes, you can clip it. Wow, this is how it is. Guys, how do you see it? So nice. Yes, so nice. You can see our necktie is so nice. So beautiful. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Yes. So nice. Have you seen it? I hope it's nice. Yes, so just follow the same procedure. This is the most easiest and fastest way ever that you can use to put on your necktie. As you can see, so quick. Within less than 1 minute, you will be done. Yes, take a look at our necktie. So beautiful. Yes, so simple and fast. The most easiest and the fastest way that you can put on your necktie. So if you have anything to say, just drop it at the comment section below. Very fast and so simple. If the video has a value or it is very useful to you, don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Just follow the same step or the same procedure. You'll be able to tie your knot very fast, easy and quick. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified for other subsequent content to come. Don't forget to comment, like and share as well. I love you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.